Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here in this video I will be unboxing and reviewing the 2021 autumn collection. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Jess and I do types of videos. Like I said, here in this video I will be unboxing and reviewing the 2021 autumn collection. Also, if you're new to my channel, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so that way you get notified when I upload. As well as do not forget to check out the description for any of my social media as well as any discount codes that are available. Make sure to go check that out if you guys haven't. And let's get on with unboxing the Hey Beautiful autumn collection. So I will be going in with my gold vintage scissors and I will be opening the box, and please ignore this post-it note, it's just covering my address. And I will be opening it here, as you can see. So as you can see, this is what it looks like when you open it. Obviously, as you can see here, it has their Hey Beautiful logo, which I love. I honestly do love their packaging. It is very simple and very nice. I like it. So they did pack some packing paper, which I appreciate, as you can see. And then here that's it, and it just says Hey Beautiful, which I really like. So then here is the collection. So now I will be opening it here, as you can see. So here we have the Hey Beautiful autumn collection, which, can we please just talk about the packaging, because this is absolutely beautiful. As you can see here, I'm trying not to show it like in a weird angle because of the glare, so that you guys can see the full design. And look at that, that looks beautiful. So we have like some fall pumpkins and like leaves, which I think is really cute, because obviously this is a fall autumn collection, so very pretty. So here we have their logo. Here it says autumn collection, and then here at the bottom it has all the colors, which I really like, as well as the color that it belongs to, if that makes sense. And then here is their website, their address, their Instagram, which I like. Which also, make sure to check out the description, so that way I will obviously link this collection down below, and make sure to use my code with this so that you guys can save some money with it. So here as well it says Hey Beautiful nail products, again here at the bottom. And then here are the colors, which look how pretty. I really like the packaging. So to start off, here we have Heavy Pumpkin 129. Here we have Magenta Haze 100. We have Juniper 124. We have Mocha, which is 236. We have Mango, which is 88, and we have Wine, that's 116. So these are 1/4 ounces. As you can see, they are the smaller ones, and it does come with 6 colors, as you could see. So let's get on to opening it, because it looks so cute. Oh my god, girl, this packaging is everything. Look how pretty that is. I don't know if you guys could quite tell on camera, but like you could kind of tell. So like the H and the B pop up, if that makes sense. I don't know what you would call this, but that is so pretty. I've never seen, well, at least I haven't seen like a company or no company or whatever that does this. So that's so pretty. That's really nice. And then it's just like a clear container, which is, like I said, nice and simple. But I really like the stickers that they put on here, because I like the background and like the name and like how much it holds and the number. So if you guys want to purchase it alone, you guys can. So like I said, it does come with 6 colors, and again, all 6 containers do have the little pop-up thing, which I love. So again, here are the 6 colors. So now I will be swatching these for you guys. So I will also be going in with my number 12 brush, as well as I will be using their monomer as well, which is the Hey Beautiful acrylic monomer. So this also does not have no MMA, as well it doesn't yellow, so I really like that. And I have been really liking it. I believe I'm about like here, like almost halfway, so I have been really liking it. So I definitely suggest you guys go get your hands on it, because honestly I do like it. I do like it a kind of a little bit better than Mamiya's Secret, to say, but definitely love, and definitely one of my favorites now. So yeah, make sure to go check this out as well. Like I said, I will make sure to link down below all the products that I use, so make sure to go check that out if you guys haven't. So I will also be using their monomers. So now let's get on to swatching. So the first one that I will be going in with is Mango, which is number 88, and this is the first one that we're gonna go in with, which I'm really excited. So as you can see, also they do come sealed, which we love that. This is what the color looks like. Such a really pretty color. So this is the first one that I will be swatching, like I did mention. And this is obviously more of a yellow color. This is what it looks like. Super pretty. So I will be swatching it here. That's so pretty. I'm gonna swatch it again for you guys. Picking up a bead, a really small bead. Look at that. That's really pretty. So this one is Mango. The next one that I will be swatching is Heavy Pumpkin, which is 129. And again, oh my god, I can't get over the lettering. It looks so pretty. Like they actually, like, you know, like cared about the packaging and like how it looked. I feel like it's very different. I've never, like I said, I've never seen a brand do that, but this is what this one looks like. This is more on the orange side. So again, with our monomer, picking up a bead, and look at that. That looks super nice. So as you can see, that's definitely a fall color. Again, picking up another bead, and that is so pretty. So pretty. So this one looks more like of a burnt orange. This looks more like of a, I don't want to say sunflower, but like sunflower mixed with orange in a way. So pretty. So like I said, this one was Heavy Pumpkin in 129. The next one that I will be swatching is in Mocha, which is 236. And again, these are 1/4 of acrylic. So these are perfect if you guys want to try out their brand, try out their acrylics, try out the color, whatever the case may be. These are so pretty. These are definitely perfect for the fall. This is what Mocha looks like. So here we are going to go ahead and swatch it. Look at that really pretty brown. Definitely looks like a mocha color. Super pretty. Very nice brown. So the next one that I will be swatching is Juniper, which is 124, which is a green color. Super pretty. Look at that. Nice color. Again, we're gonna go in and swatch. Look at that. A really nice emerald color. Super pretty. This is definitely perfect for the fall, or just like a emerald color in general. That's really pretty. Look at that. And they don't marble or nothing, which is another thing that I love, because as you guys, some of you guys know, some brands do marble, and as you can see, Hey Beautiful doesn't, which I love. So again, this one is Juniper 124. The next one that I will be swatching is Magenta Haze, which is 100, as you can see. So obviously this will be like a magenta color, which looks super pretty. It looks like a really pretty plum, which I don't really have much of like in my collection, which I have noticed. So here we have a bead of it. Look at that. That's really pretty. That's really nice. Super pretty. That looks so pretty, and as you can see, they don't marble or nothing, which is one thing that I love. Next one that I will be swatching is Wine in 116, which obviously will be like a red wine color, which I cannot wait to swatch because these colors are very popular. And I spilled a little bit, but this is what this one looks like. Here is a bead of it, as you could see. Now that's very, very pretty. Swatch it again. Now that's very pretty, as you could see. So that's what the last one looks like. As you could see, super, super, super pretty colors, as you could see. And so this is mango, this is heavy pumpkin, we have mocha, we have juniper, we have magenta haze, and we have wine, which look also beautiful. So this collection retails for $19.99. Also, do not forget to use my code so that we guys can go ahead and save some money. And again, this is the 2021 autumn collection, and this is exactly what it looks like. So if you're a beginner, or whether you want to try out their brand, or you know, want to see for yourself what the acrylics look like, if you never tried them, I would definitely recommend to get you guys this collection, because one, it does come with fall colors, which, as you guys know, fall is approaching us, so you definitely need to stock up on your fall colors. Definitely comment down below if you guys want to see some of my fall favorite colors that I use, so make sure to comment down below if you guys want to see a video on that. Now I will be swatching them onto swatch sticks and showing you the final results. So this is what all 6 colors look like. As you can see here, they are all so pretty. So we have wine, we have heavy pumpkin, we have mango, we have juniper, we have mocha, and then we have magenta haze, which look all so pretty. As you can see here, as you could tell, none of the marbles or anything. They are perfectly nice acrylics. I really do like them. So like I said, they do retail for $19.99, so make sure to use my code so that we guys could go save some money when shopping this collection. As well as, do not forget to also get yourself some of their monomer, because I really like it as well. I have been using it more than the Mia Secret, so I need to get some more, but definitely make sure to go get your hands on it and make sure to try it out if you guys haven't. Make sure to go buy these 2 things so that way you guys could go try out the Hey Beautiful line if you guys haven't, or whether you guys want to try out the acrylics or monomer, whichever. I will also say that the monomer doesn't have a strong scent as much as the Mia Secret, so if you guys want to try that out, make sure to go, so because I really do like it. I like that it has not such strong smell as much as the Mia Secret, so make sure to go get your hands on that if you guys haven't. And also, do not forget to go get your hands on the 2021 autumn collection. As you could see, they do come in 1/4, so this is perfect if you guys want to try out their brand, if you guys want to try out their colors, whatever the case may be. These are beautiful and you guys need them in your life. And again, I cannot get over how beautiful the packaging is, which packaging to me is everything. It's like first impression, you know. So as you can see, I love this, how like the letters go up. I cannot, these are so cute. And again, how it does have the name, the number, and how much is in. So definitely like that. Make sure to go get your hands on them. And this is the final result. Definitely comment down below what you guys think of how pretty these colors are. And that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so that way you get notified to my upload. As well as, do not forget to check out the description for my last video. Make sure to go check that out if you guys haven't, as well as any of the videos that are here throughout this one. And also, do not forget to follow me any of my social media, as well as like us on TikTok, Instagram. Make sure to go show some love on there. As well as, do not forget to use any of my codes so that way you guys can go save some money. And make sure to go shop with Hey Beautiful, and see you guys in the next one.